day everyone, I am Rosan Aboy-Midupan from BS Ed Science 2, and today I will discuss the nucleotide metabolism. This topic focuses on the structure, synthesis, and regulation of the nucleotides, which are important molecules involved in many circular processes. At the end of this presentation, we should be able to define nucleotides and describe their structure. Second is explain their function in the body. Third, differentiate purine and pyrimidine synthesis. Fourth, describe nucleotide synthesis pathways. And the last, discuss how nucleotide metabolism is regulated. Nucleotides are essential molecules in the body. They are used to produce RNA and DNA, which carry genetic information. They also serve as genetic molecules, such as ATP. Some nucleotides function as intermediates like UDP glucose, while others are parts of coenzymes such as FAD and NAD. In addition, cyclic AMP or CAMP acts as a signaling molecules inside cells. A nucleotide is composed of three parts: sugar, nitrogenous base, and phosphate groups. The sugar present in ribose. The nitrogenous bases are classified into purine and pyrimidines. When a basis combines with sugar, it forms in a nucleotides. When phosphate is added, it became a nucleotide. Nucleotides may carry different charges depending on the number of phosphate groups attached. Nucleotide synthesis occurs in the cytosol and involves multi-enzymes complexes. The body maintains only small pools or nucleotides, so synthesis must occur continuously. In de novo synthesis, nucleotides are mainly produced in the liver and the placenta and transported to other tissues through the blood. Both purine and pyrimidine synthesis use ribose 5-phosphate from the pentose phosphate pathway. In purine synthesis, the process starts with PRPP or phosphoribosyl pyrrose phosphate. The purine ring is built directly on the sugar molecule through a 10-step pathway. Slide presents the purine synthesis pathway. It illustrates the step-by-step formation of purine nucleotides. Purine rings are formed from atoms contributed by amino acid and other molecules. This ring became part of adenine and genuine nucleotides. The IMP acts as the branch point of purine synthesis. From IMP, the body can produce AMP and GMP. Interestingly, ATP is required for GMP synthesis while GTP is required for AMP synthesis. This helps maintain balance between the two nucleotides. In pyrimidine synthesis, the ring is formed first before it attached to the sugar. This is different from purine synthesis, where the ring is built directly on the sugar. The enzymes CPS2 located in the cytosol plays an important role in pyrimidine synthesis. Its reaction is similar to CPS1 found in mitochondria, but they function in different pathways. This slide shows the pyrimidine synthesis pathways. Dehydrogenase is found on the outer side of the inner mitochondrial membrane. Orotate is eventually added to PRPP to continue nucleotide formation. UTP is converted into CTP. With the help of ATP, and glutamine, which donates the amino group needed for the reaction. Nucleotides metabolism is carefully regulated. Kinases help produce nucleotides bisphosphate and triphosphate. The first steps of purine synthesis is regulated by IMP, GMP, and AMP through allosteric inhibition. GMP and AMP also inhibit their own synthesis. In pyrimide synthesis, CPS2 is the regulated step. RP, PRPP, and IMP activate the pathway while UMP inhibits it. In conclusion, nucleotides metabolism is essential for producing DNA and RNA, energy molecules, and signaling compounds. Understanding this pathway helps explain how cells grow, divided, and maintain normal function. Thank you for listening.